Hello everyone, it's me Shweta from Dhatri Handicrafts. Today I am thinking of sharing my experience as a terracotta jewelry maker, as a YouTuber. I had been thinking on these lines for a pretty long time now, so I thought I'll just share my story with you. So while you learn making these beautiful pieces with terracotta clay, I will let you know my story, how my journey has been so far. Actually, my days are often filled with the earthy scent of clay and the vibrant colors of the natural world. I love it when my hands transform the raw clay into intricate pieces of art. And my journey as a terracotta jewelry artist was not always easy. I faced countless challenges and doubts along the way. I worried about my financial security, and my mind asked me to seek a more stable path, urging me to put my creative pursuits aside. My heart, however, whispered a different story altogether. I remembered the wisdom of my parents, who always told me, "Follow your passion, dear, for it'll lead you to places you never imagined." And so I continued to shape my dreams with clay, one piece at a time. I decided to share my craft with the world by starting a YouTube channel. At first, my videos received only a handful of views, and it seemed like my journey might remain a quiet one. But I refused to be discouraged. With each new video, I poured my heart and soul into the art, and slowly but surely, my channel began to grow. I know I still have a long way to go, but I'm not going to stop it at this. I am at it, and I will keep improving myself to give better value-based videos to you. One day, a message from a subscriber caught my eye. It was from a young girl who had been inspired by my work. The girl shared how my videos had given her the courage to embrace her own creativity and start making her own terracotta jewelry. It was in that moment that I realized the true power of my art. Today, my channel continues to flourish. People from all over the world are connecting with my passion and authenticity. We need to remember that our humble beginnings will lead us to a world of endless possibilities. When we pursue our passions with dedication and authenticity, we can inspire and uplift others. The journey may be challenging, but it's our difficulties that make the destination all the more rewarding. Through my terracotta jewelry, I found my voice and touched the hearts of many, proving that the pursuit of one's true calling can lead to a life rich with creativity, purpose, and joy. So today, as you create your own terracotta jewelry, remember that your art has the power to inspire, to connect, and to transform lives. Keep shaping your dreams one piece at a time, and who knows where your journey may lead.